do a startup. I don't know. I love taking night rides. Ah, son of a bitch. Until I was rudely interrupted by a red light, unfortunately. What's going on, everybody? SRTA Boost here. We are going for a night ride. We're actually just leaving Tim Hortons right now. So screw it. Let's do some filming. Why not, right? Anyways, guys, stick around and actually let's do a nice little startup. Let's do a startup. Sounds pretty good, no? Those SC projects sound delicious. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the road. Alright, we're on the road. Well, not really, but we're in the parking lot. I literally turned into this parking lot when I got here, and it was like, almost got into like 4 accidents. I was just coasting at this speed, and people are retarded. Just no other way to put it. Nice. It's actually very nice. Anyways, I got the camera on night mode. So I was told by a fellow YouTuber that I may have put too much saturation while editing, so I'm gonna just try to leave the picture as is and, you know, see how it is. So I gotta shut that mask. Oh my god, I just had a coffee with Nick. Nick's the guy that rides the Harley with me all the time. Anyways, we were having a coffee there, and like, the fucking mosquitoes, man. Oh my god. I couldn't stay there anymore. I had to go. Plus, I got a shaved head, right? So, I mean, like, my head was getting attacked and, like, everything else. I was like, oh my god. Yeah, I can't do this shit. So. Yeah, anyway, beautiful night tonight. Come on, buddy, go, go, go. Camera here. You know, of course, that's just how my area is, right? There it is. Oh, that's boring. I love this little spot here too, because like there's such a drastic temperature change going down into this valley here. There's like a river over there that runs under the bridge. I think it's the Humber River or something. All right. Pick it up a little bit. know. I love taking night rides. Ah, son of a bitch. Until I was rudely interrupted by a red light, unfortunately. That's awesome. Oh, actually, you know what? That was a pretty quick one. Light. Anyway, I was saying I love night rides. They're great. Because there's less cars on the roads especially, but like, I don't know, just the whole atmosphere of it, you know? I feel like you're not so exposed, if that makes sense. Quick one. Oh, wow. Oh, I cannot complain about that. That's wonderful. Jesus. I mean, I still have to put my feet down, but you know, it is what it is, right? You know, you gotta always take a look behind you. Make sure nobody's tailing you, if you know what I'm talking about. This is always the fun part of the ride here. Let's see what happens. This is down to one lane. Oh, no. Just a fucking... Oh, just a quick break. Oh, you know, I spoke too soon with no traffic. That's for sure. It's typical. I swear to God, as soon as you get close to, like, my area, man, it's like, oh, 500 cars, like, in one spot, all parked together, and Corollas that don't know what the fuck they're doing. Or a bus. Okay, let's see what happens here. These are nice. I like the A7s. I mean, preferably the S7 or RS7. Those totally three different things, but yes, but no kind of thing. Well, that was a nice puddle of mystery water. Okay, why is everybody braking for no fucking reason? Stay there, douche. Okay, this light's gonna be long. I'll be back. Started it too early. Doesn't matter. This guy over here that was waiting at the light like a fucking idiot, he's been sitting there at this red light, but there's no sign that says you can't make, you know, a right. So like everybody's fucking literally honking at him. It's so funny. Just thought I'd start this a little earlier just to let you guys know that. So I thought it was funny, and there's a cop at the light there. I'll be back. As you're riding, you do like play like a game with the manhole covers, like, you know, you gotta like dodge them and shit. It's funny. If you ever see me swerving side to side, that's pretty well why. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and honestly, I will see you guys next time. Take care.